Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring the transformative ideas in The Power of Your Subconscious Mind by Joseph Murphy. This book reveals how your subconscious mind can be the driving force behind success, health, and happiness. Over the next 5 minutes, I'll break down the key lessons into simple, actionable steps to help you harness your inner power and reshape your life. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about what the subconscious mind is. Murphy explains that while your conscious mind is responsible for rational thinking and decision-making, your subconscious mind works behind the scenes, storing beliefs and habits that ultimately shape your reality. Think of it as the software that runs in the background, influencing your emotions, behaviors, and even your physical health. Next, Murphy emphasizes that your thoughts and beliefs are powerful forces. What you consistently think about, whether positive or negative, gets programmed into your subconscious. This means that if you nurture empowering positive thoughts, you can change your life. It all starts with recognizing that you have the power to choose your thoughts and, by extension, your destiny. One of the most practical tools in this book is the use of affirmations and visualization. By repeating positive affirmations and vividly imagining your goals as if they're already achieved, you're essentially training your subconscious mind to work in your favor. This technique helps to replace limiting beliefs with empowering ones, setting a solid foundation for success. Murphy also teaches us how to break free from the chains of negative thinking. Negative beliefs, once deeply ingrained, can hold you back. The key is to identify these thoughts and consciously challenge them. Replace "I can't" with "I can" and "I'm not worthy" with "I deserve success." Over time, your subconscious begins to accept these new beliefs as your reality. Another powerful aspect is learning to relax and enter a meditative state. When you're calm and relaxed, your subconscious mind becomes more receptive to positive suggestions. Techniques like deep breathing, meditation, or even a quiet moment of reflection can help quiet your conscious mind and create a space where positive change can flourish. Murphy shares numerous real-life examples where individuals have transformed their lives by tapping into their subconscious. These stories serve as a reminder that the power of your subconscious isn't just theoretical, it has practical, life-changing results. Whether it's overcoming illness, achieving financial success, or improving relationships, the common thread is a shift in mindset. So, how can you apply these lessons every day? Start by setting aside a few minutes each morning to practice positive affirmations and visualization. Write down your goals and revisit them regularly. Keep a journal to track your thoughts and notice any recurring negative patterns that you can work on transforming. Small, consistent actions can lead to big changes over time. By harnessing the power of your subconscious, you're not just aiming for success, you're transforming every aspect of your life. With the right mindset, you can overcome obstacles, attract positive opportunities, and create a life filled with joy, health, and abundance. The journey is about aligning your inner beliefs with your outer reality. Let's put it all together. Begin by becoming aware of your thought patterns and the messages you send yourself daily. Use affirmations and visualization to reprogram your mind, and practice relaxation techniques to make your subconscious more receptive. Consistently replace negative beliefs with empowering ones, and watch as your life starts to change. This holistic approach is the key to unlocking your true potential. In conclusion, the power of your subconscious mind teaches us that the secret to success and fulfillment lies within our own minds. By understanding and harnessing the power of your subconscious, you can reshape your beliefs, overcome obstacles, and create the life you desire. I hope these insights inspire you to take control of your inner dialogue and start making positive changes today. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more motivational content. Thanks for watching, and remember, your mind is your most powerful tool.